For over 70 years, we've learned every challenge of Indian roads. And today, that legacy evolves. Introducing the future of business mobility. Built for India. Built on intelligence. Built to go further. With a bigger range. With unwavering reliability. With Indian engineering at its core. At the heart of this machine is intelligence, built on a robust e-axle. Fewer moving parts, more efficiency. Fast, reliable charging, smart energy management, minimal downtime. Every kilometer optimized, every charge stretched further, every decision designed to lower your total cost of ownership. But performance means nothing without safety. That's why these trucks are tested beyond limits. Across unforgiving terrain, our cabins tested to European safety standards. Built to protect what matters most. "70 years of knowing Indian roads. Now driving India into the future. Tata Trucks, electrifying business responsibly."